What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, we do barber vlogs, barber tutorials, anything that has to do with barber content you can find on this channel. So consider subscribing. But by the thumbnail, you already know what we're doing today. We're going to be comparing and contrasting two clippers that look pretty similar. One of them is going to be the Gamma Plus X-Ergo, and the other one is going to be the Pissed Off Barber Phantom. So we're going to go ahead and pop these bad boys open, take a look at the outside, and just see where they differ and where they compare. So stay tuned, and let's get into this video.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
All right, everybody, so you can see here we have the Gamma Plus X-Ergo, and we have our TPOB Phantom. So just for starters, first off, you can see that they are different face plates, but they are the same shape. Once you turn them to the side, you can see there on the back, they have all the same holes. The screw holes are identically placed. Right here, you have your information on the clipper. So on this clipper, it says, Gamma Plus, Italia, HCG, PX Ergos, or Ergo MS, 5 volt, designed in Italy, assembled in China. And then on your TPOB one, you have the HC90 Phantom, professional use only. You have all your other information on there. So basically, this is right here. HC is the model, HC on this side. And so right here at the bottom, you have the same exact screw holes as well. There at the bottom, the charging ports, same exact charging ports you can see there. And even the placement of your actual faceplate. So you see where the faceplate comes down on this side, and on this side, same exact placement. So now the next thing that we're going to do is go ahead and get under the hood, pop off the lids, and see what the internals look like. But before we do that too, one thing that differs is on this one, you have performance microchipped. That's not written on this one, but the click levers are placed in the same exact area on both clippers, and they both have the same amount of clicks. And also up here, you can see the two clippers have different blades, but other than that, the whole blade assembly is exactly the same. This one does have a taper blade, and this one has the XO combination blade, or comparable to the Gamma Vapor blade. So I think a lot of the Stylecraft Ergos come with that combination blade. But let's go ahead and pop open the lids, let you guys take a peek inside. I mean, before we do that, maybe give you guys a sound test. So here's the TPOB Phantom. Very quiet clipper. Both these clippers are very quiet. Here's the other one. Same exact hum. They both got that deep hum. If you turn them both on, they sound completely identical. But the only thing different, like I said, is these faceplates. You could change these faceplates out. The button right here is a circular button, but underneath it's gonna have the same power switch, is the same as this one underneath. So we're going to take these lids off and show y'all that. As you can see here, we got the X-Ergo faceplate on this one, and then on this one we have the Phantom faceplate. You can see here the power buttons are in the exact identical area of the faceplate. Got the same screw holes on the bottom and also on the top up here, and you could interchange these outer lids on both of these. But I mean, there's really not much to that. That's the way those differ. But what we're concerned about and what we're going to look for is the internals, is the motor, is what's on the inside of the clipper, because that is what is very comparable and almost identical, if you'd say. But we'll go ahead and take a look at that, and let's get to this clipper. All right, everybody, my apologies. This clipper is a little dirty because it has been used a good bit, but you can see here the same exact motor. The only thing that differs on the inside is this little insignia here that is on the actual motor. But other than that, you can see same exact placement of everything, same exact just make up all together. The blades open exactly the same, which is a little less than the one. When we get to the circuit board here, let me try to hold these both with one hand. All right, so now you can see that there. So in the inside, same exact battery color, wiring the same on both ends. your positive and negative charge. On this clipper, it says 3R3, which is the TPOB, and on this side you have 3R3, which is on the X-Ergo. Same numbers, C17, C11, C17, C11, C12, C12. So all this is all the same makeup. Your power button is right here on both. I'm sorry, disregard that. Your power button on this one is right here. Your power button on this one is right here. So all together, you can see that it's the same makeup. Circuit boards are all the same. You can see the side profile. If you had the lids off on these and there was no logo on the blades at all, you would think that these are the same exact clipper of how they are made up. So pretty wild. But I just wanted to break this down to let you guys show you guys side by side how they stack up against each other, how they compare against each other. But there are those clippers there. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the lids back on, and then we'll discuss a little more about the clippers before we wrap up this video. What's good, everybody? So we are to the demonstration portion of the video, my favorite part of the video. Reason being, I am a barber, I am behind the chair, I cut hair for a living, so this is what I like to do. But right here we have a side-by-side comparison view of the TPOB Phantom on the left hand side, and then you have the Gamma Plus X-Ergo on the right hand side. And I just gave you guys this side-by-side view, just like I did with the Instincts and the Goblins, just to show you guys how comparable the two are, how they operate, you know, almost identical, and you know, just show you guys what it is. You know, not much to it. Not going to do a tutorial type thing with this. It's going to be a nape taper on the left hand and right hand side. Then it's going to edge it up at the end. But the only thing that differs with this process for both these is the fact that on the left hand side we have the XO combination blade from TPOB, which is comparable to the Faber blade or the Fade taper blade, whatever you want to call it, by Stylecraft and Gamma Plus. And on the right hand side, on the Gamma Plus X-Ergo, we have a taper blade. So those two do cut differently, but you know, in the hands of the same person, you are going to get somewhat of a similar blend. Reason being, it's the same person using a different tool but using the same process, if that makes sense. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video so far. Another thing is the docks that come with both these clippers are interchangeable. You can use both the clippers in either one of the docks. You can use the power cord for either one of the docks. Those are completely identical as well. But overall, I just wanted to make this video to give you guys a comparison, a side-by-side view of what you could possibly, you know, choose. The X-Ergo is going for like 150 to 179 at the highest that I've seen on different barber supply sites. The TPOB Phantom is going, don't quote me on this, but it's around 115 on the website. So if you use my promo code Jayblends to save 15% off, you can get it a little bit cheaper than that too. So just keep that in mind when buying tools. The TPOB Phantom just is a cheaper alternative if you know, want to go that route. That's completely up to you. This is a very diverse business with a lot of different clippers and tools, but it's up to you at the end of the day. Support who you want to support. But that is the cut. That is the comparison view of both these clippers. If you're not following me on IG, go follow me at Jayblends_. Go follow the Pissed Off Barber at the Pissed Off Barber. You can go check out thepissedoffbarber.com. check out all the tools that they have there, and once again, you could use the promo code Jayblends to save 15% off anything off the website. Also, down below in the description box, there will be a link to my Amazon store or Amazon page where you can find all the tools that I use in any of my videos. But I appreciate everybody for sticking through this far. There is the taper, that blurry blend, but I appreciate everybody's support. Like I said, thank you for sticking this far into the video. Stay tuned for more videos to come. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on your post notifications. We've got tons more videos to come. Got some GMB Pro stuff coming. Got another unboxing coming, but that's it. God bless.